Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Here is pretty much, this application pretty much helps you to get information on influencers or popular people around the world. All you have to do is just pretty much enter their name or their surname, and you'll pretty much be able to find them. As you can see here for the example down here, you have this Mr. Beast, you have just Jeff Bezos, Rihanna, all of those popular people you'll be able to find section down here. But you can also well enter your name and you'll be able to find them. And let's say, for example, I want to find Mr. Beast, I can either enter it or I can just up on the popular section down here, and you will pretty much find everything as it relates to their YouTube channel, information, everything there is to know about Mr. Beast. As you can see here, it will tell you everything there is to know about Mr. Beast. And if you want to share it with your friends and families, get up on the share button here at the top, and as well you can copy the information that you have seen. And as you can see here, you can pretty much see their YouTube channel, pretty much everything that they have on the internet. So that's pretty much it for the application. Very easy to use. And as well, if you do want to get your Pro subscription, get it on the top here. It says Pro. And if I do tap on this option here, we'll pretty much keep the loading screen here. But anyways, they do give you a 7 days free trial, but you'd have to pretty much enable this feature here. But 7 days free trial, not 7 days free trial, but a down price of the actual 7 days plan that we have. As you can see, it's pretty much around $2, and if you were to buy it at full price, it would be $7. So I would say a discount. First time, if it's the first time is an application or getting a subscription, they give you the first time discount when using it. So that's very pretty much it for that. There, do make sure you enable this option here to get that feature. So that's very pretty much it for the application. Very easy to use. It shouldn't be that hard. And if you do want to get information or anything that you have searched on recently, or you have cleared the chat, you can go in this section and should be able to find it there or in this section here. So very easy application to use. If I'm missing anything at all, guys, just let me know in the comment section. Let's see if we can help you. See you in the next video.